Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back for another video, and today I'm going to be explaining the trade that made me $630 on BTC USD using just a trend line and basic liquidity sweep. So without wasting time, let's get straight to the chart and let me get straight to the trade breakdown. So make sure if you are not subscribed to this channel, you hit the subscribe button, join the community, also join my free Telegram channel, link in the description. Like this video, also share this video so that you can help recommend this video to people who need to see that trend lines are actually very powerful tools to use, whether as a beginner or experienced trader. So let's get to the trade breakdown. So this is BTC USD on the 30-minute time frame, and you can see these are two trades. I took one yesterday and this current one I took it today, and as you can see this trade is coming back to entry. Though I already broke even, this trade moved about 1,000 pips in profits, and I actually closed the profit. I'll put a screenshot of the profits by the side. So let me just show you what I mean. So I closed the trade. See, it picked 1,300 pips. I closed it around 1,000 pips profits here, so we're around here exactly. So let me go ahead and explain the trade. This is what we are focused on, this right here. And as you can see, even this today's trade was actually from the trend line. So I made $630 from this BTC USD trend line sell, and I also post the $600 profit screenshot by the side of the screen. So let's zoom out a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see this is my trend line, and if you go back, watch my trend line video, I told you the rules, criteria you need to see to take a trend line trade. So you can see 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch is my sweet spot. This now is the 4th touch. That's why I say 3rd touch is always the sweet spot, because the 3rd touch has high probability of moving tangibly for good profits. This right now, the reason I closed at 1k pips and did not hold all the way down there, because this is a 4th touch. There is a very high chance it will not move all the way, and as you can see, I closed out. You saw the screenshot and price is moving back. So this setup now was actually very basic. So you can see trend line, and also there was a liquidity sweep. So let me just go ahead and mark it out. So let me go ahead and mark out the liquidity sweep. So you can see right here, price took out this high. Price took out this high that was here and used it as an inducement for price to have more power to move to the downside. As you can see what happened, price took out this high, left a very good wick, and I was fast enough to catch the sale right there, and price just pushed to the downside, kept pushing down because it had taken liquidity. So two things: trend line selling off the 3rd touch, which is the sweet spot, also having a liquidity sweep inducement. This high was a place people thought market would sell from here. You can see how many times price rejected. Even let me zoom out a little bit. You can see at this point price looked like it to sell from here, but what happened? It took out. A lot of people's stop losses have been hit, people have been taken out from the trade, so price has inducement to keep moving faster to the downside, and that's exactly what happened. So this is actually a very simple analysis. Same thing with this second trade I took today that actually close out profits early, and you can see reversing. This is the 4th touch, and like I said, the 4th touch is not as high probability as the 3rd touch. That's why I took out profits at 1,000 pips, and you can see what's happening. Price is retracing, even has broken and closed above the trend line. You understand? So basically 3rd touch entry, liquidity sweep, and if I go down to a smaller time frame, you can see some candlestick formation that you could have actually entered off if you were late. Let's say you could have entered off around this place right here where price actually retrace. If you saw this trade and you missed it, you could have entered off here or somewhere around here, right? Because you can see right here. You can also go watch my candlestick video. Price left a shooting star candle, massive weak rejection, smaller body. The wick is longer than the body, the wick is more than the body. You understand? So this is a shooting star candle, and you can see if you were fast enough, you would have taken a sell from here. Still a very good trade. Stop loss above these highs that were taken out as liquidity, and you would have actually made profit of this trade. So that's it, guys. You can see this trade is about to hit my break even. That's why I emphasize, make sure you are taking of the third zone is the most important. Make sure you are taking the trades of the third zone. That's like very important because that third zone has the highest probability. So that is all on this BTC trade breakdown. Simple trade, keep it simple as possible. Trendline, liquidity sweep. Also, if we zoom out a bit, you can see obviously BTC is going down. It was going up before, but then this trend line actually broke so much structure to the downside. Let me show what I'm talking about, so you can see it was going kind of up a little bit, but see what happened. Price broke out from here, cleared this low, cleared this low, cleared this low. So you can see full downside action. So that's another thing I validated my trade. Downtrend, third touch, and liquidity sweep. So that's it, guys. Make sure you like this video if you found this helpful. Leave a comment if there's anything you want to ask, any question or answer. Subscribe to the channel, help me grow the community, and I will see you guys in the next one.